Hello and welcome to English the Gab Lab. Traveling for the first time is exciting, but it is also scary. Do you feel nervous about your English at the airport? Don't worry, Emily is nervous too. Today, we follow Emily on her first flight to London. Watch the dialogue, learn the phrases, and travel with confidence. Are you ready? Let's go!
Excuse me. Good morning. Is this where I check in?
Good morning. Yes, it is. Where are you flying?
To London. It is my first time, and I am a bit nervous. I am going to visit a friend.
Oh, don't worry. You are in the right place. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, just this one.
Please put it on the scale. Perfect. It is 40 pounds.
Is that okay?
Yes, the limit is 50 pounds. You are all set. Here's your passport and your boarding pass.
Thank you very much. And where do I go now?
Now you need to go to security control. They will tell you what to do there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thanks. Bye. Let's see. Where is security control? Ah, there it is.
Please, put your bags and your jacket in the tray.
Okay.
You also need to leave your belt and your watch in the tray.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Yes, your belt and your watch.
Oh, my belt and my watch. Sorry. One moment.
Do you have any liquids in your backpack?
Yes, I have a small perfume, a deodorant, a shampoo, and toothpaste, and they are in a transparent Ziploc bag.
Perfect. Put the tray on the belt and you can walk through, please.
Okay, thanks. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I am looking for my boarding gate. I am a bit lost. It is my first time on a plane.
Let me see your boarding pass. You are at gate B24.
Gate B24. Is it far?
No, it's only 5 minutes away. Go straight, turn right at the coffee shop, and follow the signs. You can't miss it.
Go straight, turn right at the coffee shop, and follow the signs. Okay, I got it. Thank you so much for your help.
It was a pleasure. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks. Bye.
Goodbye.
Ah, I see gate B24. Great! I am finally on the plane. Time to rest. I'm ready for my flight. See you in London.
Great job! Thanks to this video, you learned how to ask many things, like, is this the check-in for the flight to London? Where is security control? Can you repeat that, please? I am looking for my boarding gate. Is it far? These phrases will be very helpful for your next trip. Now, I have a short quiz for you to check what you learned. Don't forget to write your answers in the comments. Let's start. 1. What is Emily's destination? A. To New York. B. To London. 2. Which of these items must Emily put in the security tray? A. Her belt and watch. B. her passport. 3. Where is gate B24 located? A. Go straight and turn right at the coffee shop. B. Next to the security control. Perfect! Now you are ready to travel anywhere you want and speak English. But wait, did you learn everything? Remember to go to the comments section and write your quiz answers. I will check them to see if they are correct.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our future lessons. See you in the next video.
Bye!